Hello, welcome. My name is Nugget and Chill, and today I'm going to show you how to on-ramp your Fiat if you're in the US in order to buy LUNA or UST. Let's get right into it. That's cringe. Alright. So here is the overview of all the steps that I'm going to show you, but let me just run through them real quick and then I'll explain them throughout the video. So start here. You can deposit your money in Binance.us or Coinbase Pro. Get some tokens like XLM, ALGO, or NANO, because the idea is to get something that has low withdrawal fee. So you can send those tokens to Kucoin, and then you sell those tokens for USDT. After that, you can use that USDT to either buy LUNA or UST. And send them to your Terra Station, which is your wallet. Voila! Welcome to the real world. Alright, so why did I choose Binance.us or Coinbase Pro? It's because it's so easy just to sign up for an account and get your crypto there. And you can do via ACH, which is just free. There's no fee depositing your money in there. And I usually just go with Binance.us because the fee is cheaper. It's for the limit order, and the withdrawal fees is the same because you can just go to the website and you can see that. The only thing though with Binance.us, ever since they have so many volume people joining, I heard from people that the KYC and all the verification's been pretty slow. So if you don't have a Binance.us account now, you might have to wait a bit. If you have to wait a bit, you can try Coinbase Pro, even though the fee is a little bit higher, but it's fine. Eat ramen, I guess. I heard the KYC is fast. I don't know why. Oh, and the downside for all of this is that you have, after you deposit your ACH, you have to wait for your fund to clear in order to withdraw just anything. Either withdraw your money back or you withdraw whatever token that we're going to do. But I've been buying crypto on there on my Binance, so my funds are clear. So let's say if you have 1,000 on there and it's been clear, and then you deposit $500 today, buy something, you can withdraw that $500 right away without waiting for that particular $500 to be clear, because the other 1,000 has been clear, if that makes sense. Okay, so why do I choose XLM, ALGO, or NANO? Because cheap withdrawal fee, it's like really cheap. It's like a few cents. They're very liquid enough that you can enter and exit pretty quickly without waiting for a long time for people to buy them coins back for you to get USDT. The only downside is one time XLM was going down, so I bought some, I sent them to my Kucoins, and XLM was going down. So right off the bat, I was already negative $1, $2, but still it's still cheaper if you just buy USDT and transfer USDT to your Kucoins. That's right now it's $15 withdrawal fees. So, just be careful. But on the other hand, if the market is going up, you can get some gains while exiting one of these coins. Maybe you can find some arbitrage. You can get some $2, $3, extra for ramen. All right, next step is, send them to Kucoins. Why did I choose Kucoins? There are other exchanges too, right? Like you can get on CoinGecko and figure out what other exchange you can buy them from, like Binance.com or Huobi. But the reason why I choose Kucoins is because for the US people, you don't need VPN to use Kucoins. There's no KYC. That's pretty neat. IRS. Hi. Enter the chat. All right, and the withdrawal fee for LUNA, it's 0.1 LUNA, which is probably 60 cent right now, or 60. Yeah. You can get UST as well, but it's $4. So just get Luna, send them to your Terra Station, and then in Terra Station there's a tab called swap. You can swap your Luna to UST. Maybe swap like $10, $5 for gas fee sitting in your wallet. You know, it's for gas. There are other ways too. You can, you know, if these steps are too complicated for you, you can get Luna on crypto.com, but you know, if you pay with debit or credit card, the fee is almost 3%. You can utilize the first 30 days for free, no fee. I don't think you can do limit order, so the spread is pretty, it's not cool, low gross, and the UI, it's weird. It's like, it's not for traders. I'm not a trader either, but I like to put in my limit order. I like to see the charts and the candlestick. I don't know, the UI, I think they tend to be for like a user friendly for people who just got into crypto and yada yada. But anyways, there you can use ACH. Deposit is free, but you know how with like Binance or other exchanges, you can just log into your banking account and then just initiate your ACH deposit from there. But with this, you have to go to your bank or go to your bank's website and put in an order of like sending my money to this account address with this account number. Yeah, it's weird. If you don't want the hassle of buying other coins and deposit to Kucoin and then swap it back for USDT, you can use debit card or credit card but on Kucoins, but it's like the fee is crazy. Yeah, last time I checked it was like 7%, so not a good idea. Yeah, for off ramp it's the same, just reverse it. Here, I'll show you real quick. So if you make some gains from Anchor or from Mirror, you can deposit, well, your gains are in your wallet, so just withdraw those gains to Kucoins, swap them for USDT, send them back to your centralized send them back to Binance or Coinbase, and then yeah, sell that USDT. You can go the XLM, you can buy these other coins. I think, yeah, it should be cheaper than sending USDT back to Binance or Coinbase. And yeah, just sell them for USD, get your money back to your bank, go buy some Lambos. That's it. Thank you for watching. My name is Nugget and Chill. See you later, dude.